2025 will be remembered in Indian history for the year that India avenged its Sindoor, when 26 innocent lives were killed in a brutal terror attack in Pahalgam on 22nd April. Prime Minister Modi vowed a befitting reply. 26 men were targeted while women were allowed to go and tell the tale of terror. The Indian Prime Minister rode back with actions that caused tremors across the world. Lashkar-e-Taiba's proxy front, TRF, was responsible for the heinous targeted killing of 26 innocent men, but Pakistan refused any accountability. India first struck back and declared abeyance of the Indus Waters Treaty. Pakistan cried foul but did not cooperate with India to fight terror. And then, at 1:04 a.m. on 7th May, India struck Pakistan at 9 locations. Drawing blood, avenging the men killed in Pahalgam, India launched Operation Sindoor. For 4 days and nights, the skies across India and Pakistan were dotted with missile strikes and counter-strikes. On 10th May, finally a ceasefire was announced with a strong rider that it is not over and India will not hesitate to strike back hard in case of any violation.
भारत ने तय कर लिया है कि न्यूक्लियर की धमकियों को अब हम सहने वाले नहीं हैं। भारत ने तय कर लिया है खून और पानी एक साथ नहीं बहेंगे।
India, under the leader of the nation, Narendra Modi, remained steadfast while grieving its own. 2025 marked the rise of the tiger in his full strength. Unequivocal, uncompromising, unflinching. On 25th July 2025, Narendra Modi became the second longest serving Prime Minister of India in consecutive terms, surpassing former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi's record. BJP under his leadership scored another phenomenal electoral win in Delhi as it formed a government after 27 years.
दिल्ली की डबल इंजन सरकार दिल्ली का डबल तेजी से विकास करके चुकाएगी। ये सामान्य विजय नहीं है। दिल्ली के लोगों ने आपदा को बाहर कर दिया। एक दशक की आपदा से दिल्ली मुक्त हुई।
Before the year could end, NDA successfully retained power in Patna. Narendra Modi ensured that Nitish Kumar remained the chief minister, defeating incumbency of 3 terms.
जय छठी मैया। ये प्रचंड जीत, ये अटूट विश्वास बिहार के लोगों ने बिल्कुल गर्दा उड़ा दिया है।
Before the year could end, he ruled in the opposition to uphold the mantle of democracy.
ड्रामा करने के लिए जगह बहुत होती है, जिसको करना है करते रहें। यहां ड्रामा नहीं, डिलीवरी होनी चाहिए। नारे के लिए भी जितने नारे बुलवाने हैं, वो पूरा देश खाली पड़ा है। जहां पराजित होकर के आए वहां बोल चुके हो, जहां अभी पराजय के लिए जाने वाले हो वहां भी बोल दीजिए।
Narendra Damodar Das Modi, the leader of the nation, stood tall throughout the turbulent 2025 as the person of the year for India. He is the visionary leader. India's economy under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership surged ahead in 2025, defying global slowdowns with robust growth, record investments, and transformative reforms.
गरीबी क्या होती है मुझे किताबों में पढ़ना नहीं पड़ा है, मैं जानता हूं। सरकार में भी रहा हूं और इसलिए मेरी कोशिश रही है कि सरकार फाइलों में नहीं होनी चाहिए। सरकार देश के नागरिकों की लाइफ में होनी चाहिए।
And within months of this, Modi government brought in GST 2.0 right before the Diwali. Launched on 22nd September 2025 by the GST Council, it simplified the tax structure and reduced compliance burdens. It replaced the previous multi-slab rates with a streamlined two-slab system of 5% for essentials and 18% for most goods and services, plus a 40% rate for sin and luxury items like tobacco. Indian GDP expanded by 7.2% for the fiscal year, outpacing major economies and hitting 380 lakh crore rupees. This marked the fifth consecutive year of 7% plus growth, fueled by manufacturing and services sectors. The Make in India 2.0 initiative drew $120 billion in foreign direct investment, with semiconductors and green energy leading the charge. Foxconn and TSMC expanded plants in Gujarat and Karnataka, creating 2.5 lakh jobs.
विकसित भारत बनाने के लिए न हम रुकेंगे न हम झुकेंगे। हम परिश्रम की पराकाष्ठा करते रहेंगे और अपनी आंखों के सामने 2047 में विकसित भारत बना करके रहेंगे।
Unemployment dipped to a historic low of 4.1%. Inflation stabilized at 4.2% within RBI's target as food production hit record highs from monsoon successes and agri reforms.
भारत के किसान, भारत के मछुआरे, भारत के पशुपालक, उनसे जुड़ी किसी भी अहितकारी नीति के आगे मोदी दीवार बन के खड़ा है।
Infrastructure spending crossed 12 lakh crore rupees, completing 5,000 kilometers of highways and 150 gigawatts of renewable capacity, pushing India's energy mix to 45% green. Exports rose 15% to $850 billion, diversifying into EVs and pharma. Critics note rural distress lingers, but economists project 7.5% growth in 2026 under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In the 11 years as the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi has masterfully steered India through turbulent international waters, transforming it from a reluctant global player into a pivotal force in world affairs. 2025 was a year of geopolitical turbulence. Prime Minister Narendra Modi deftly steered India, balancing ties with US President Donald Trump, Russian President Vladimir Putin, and Chinese President Xi Jinping amid escalating global rivalries. Prime Minister Modi rekindled his rapport with Donald Trump as soon as he reassumed office in January.
He's doing a great job in India. Everybody talks about it. He's doing a really fantastic job. A great leader. Great leader.
मैं कह सकता हूं कि राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप के पहले 4 वर्ष का मेरा जो अनुभव था, जो गर्मजोशी थी, जो उत्साह था, जो विश्वास था, वही गर्मजोशी, वही उत्साह, वही विश्वास के साथ हम फिर एक बार साथ मिलकर के आगे बढ़ेंगे।
But the US president's America First pivot has triggered a tariff war. The whole of 2025, under the leadership of Narendra Modi, India has been working hard to get a balanced trade agreement with the US as against the 50% tariff slapped on it by the Oval Office. New Delhi secured a landmark defense partnership with US, boosting Indian procurement of US drones, enhancing military cooperation, tech sharing, and regional stability. While Washington seemed wrapped in its own interest, Narendra Modi led India to rework its friendship with Russian President Vladimir Putin. Despite an additional 25% tariff for buying Russian oil, India stood its ground and Putin responded with deepened energy and defense bonds, despite Western sanctions. A landmark May summit in Moscow finalized the S-500 missile deal and expanded discounted crude imports, shielding India's economy from oil shocks. Modi invoked the time-tested friendship, supplying dual-use tech amid Ukraine's stalemates, while hosting Putin for the India-Russia summit in December.
मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि भारत न्यूट्रल नहीं, भारत का पक्ष है और वो पक्ष शांति का है। हम शांति के हर प्रयासों का समर्थन करते हैं और हम शांति के हर प्रयासों के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर के खड़े हैं।
За прошедшие годы нами проделана очень большая работа в развитии наших отношений.
Over the past years, we have done a great deal of work to develop our relationship.
И по мере развития наших стран, по мере развития экономик наших государств, возможности нашего сотрудничества расширяются.
As our countries and our economies move forward, we have more opportunities for cooperation.
India also reignited its ties with its neighbor, China. Prime Minister Modi's ties with Chinese President Xi Jinping remained pragmatic yet firm. Border patrolling agreements in Ladakh eased LAC tensions post-2020 Galwan. Indian Prime Minister attended the 25th SCO meeting in Tianjin. It captured Xi, Modi and Vladimir Putin holding hands and sharing a good laugh on the sidelines of the SCO, at a time when the US charged India and China of fueling Moscow's war against Ukraine.
आज भारत रिफॉर्म, परफॉर्म, ट्रांसफॉर्म के मूल मंत्र पर आगे बढ़ रहा है। कोविड हो या वैश्विक आर्थिक अस्थिरता, हमने हर चुनौती को अवसर में बदलने का प्रयास किया है।
Modi's multi-alignment, blending Trumpian realpolitik, Putin's reliability and Xi's economic pragmatism, elevated India's global heft. As 2025 closes, New Delhi emerges stronger not only in the region, but also as a formidable leader in the international arena. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the greatest inspiring leader of all Indians. He's that one leader who's first to applaud and celebrate Indians for each and every accolade they win, milestones they cross.
Namaste. I am Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla.
When Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla of the Indian Air Force reached the International Space Station, Prime Minister Narendra Modi connected with him in space over a video call to encourage him, to celebrate him.
नमस्कार, आप आज मातृभूमि से,
नमस्कार।
भारत भूमि से सबसे दूर है, लेकिन भारतवासियों के दिलों के सबसे करीब है।
The Indian astronaut of the Axiom 4 mission was given homework by the Indian Prime Minister.
आप तो मुझे भली भांति जानते हैं, जब भी किसी से बात होती है तो मैं होमवर्क जरूर देता हूं। हमें मिशन गगनयान को आगे बढ़ाना है, हमें अपना खुद का स्पेस स्टेशन बनाना है और चंद्रमा पर भारतीय एस्ट्रोनॉट की लैंडिंग भी करानी है। इन सारे मिशंस में आपके अनुभव बहुत काम आने वाले हैं।
Prime Minister Modi followed his every move, and when Shukla returned home, Prime Minister not only welcomed him back in person, but also checked on the homework assignment.
मैंने जो आपको होमवर्क कहा था तो उसका क्या प्रोग्रेस हुआ है?
बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्रेस हुआ है सर, और लोग काफ़ी हंसे थे मेरे साथ उस मीटिंग के बाद। उन्होंने मुझे चढ़ाया भी था कि आपके प्रधानमंत्री ने आपको होमवर्क दिया है।
The Prime Minister does it for all Indians. He met and praised acclaimed Indian Grandmaster Koneru Hampi and her family in January 2025 to cheer her. When Indian men and women won double gold in the FIDE Chess Olympiad, Prime Minister Modi welcomed them home in grand celebration. On 18th March 2025, the Special Olympics World Winter Games contingent met the Prime Minister of India in the Parliament with their 33 medals, including 8 gold, 18 silver and 7 bronze medals. The Prime Minister congratulated the contingent and posted on social media X, and I quote, "I am immensely proud of our athletes who have brought glory to the nation at the Special Olympics World Winter Games held in Turin, Italy. Our incredible contingent has brought home 33 medals, met the contingent in Parliament and congratulated them for their accomplishments." Unquote. Similarly, when Prime Minister Modi met young cricketing sensation Vaibhav Suryavanshi and his family at Patna Airport on 30th May 2025, he immediately posted it on X, admiring the 14-year-old sensational debut with the Rajasthan Royals in IPL 2025. On April 28, 2025, Suryavanshi made headlines with his powerful and fearless hitting as he scored the youngest IPL century. 101 of 38 balls against Gujarat Titans. It was the second fastest by an Indian. When Indians lifted the Asia Cup, Prime Minister Modi tweeted saying it was Operation Sindoor on the games field. When Indian women snatched an unbelievable World Cup win on 6th November, Prime Minister Modi was their biggest cheerleader. So when the girls in blue returned, they met the Prime Minister at his residence and gifted him a jersey with Namo 1 printed on it. Few weeks later, it was a blind women in blue. And again, their top cheerleader was none other than the Prime Minister himself. He met them with the T20 World Cup and inspired them to always remain at the top of the world. The Indian Prime Minister is undoubtedly the most celebrated leader across the globe. Each country he visits, small or big, they adorn him with their highest honors. In 11 years as the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi has received 29 international awards, making him the most internationally celebrated Indian leader. On 18th December, Sultan of Oman conferred upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi the Order of Oman Award for his exceptional contribution to India-Oman ties and his visionary leadership.
एक ऐसा ब्रिज जिसने हमारे रिश्तों को मजबूत किया, कल्चर और इकोनॉमी को ताकत दी। आज हम विश्वास के साथ कह सकते हैं कि समंदर की लहरें बदलती हैं, मौसम बदलते हैं, लेकिन भारत ओमान की दोस्ती हर मौसम में और मजबूत होती है।
2 days before this occasion, Prime Minister Modi was in Ethiopia, and on 16th December, he was conferred with the East African country's highest award, the Great Honor Nishan of Ethiopia. In July 2025, Prime Minister Modi was visiting West Indies country, and in Ghana, he received the Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana on 2nd July.
The Republic of Ghana hereby confers on you, Your Excellency Narendra Modi, the state honor of Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana.
On 4th July, Trinidad and Tobago conferred the highest national award, the Order of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, to the Indian Prime Minister.
Republic of Trinidad and Tobago is now being awarded to the Honorable Shri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of the Republic of India.
Then on 6th July, Prime Minister Modi was conferred with the key to the city of Buenos Aires by Mr. Jorge Macri, Chief of the City Government of Buenos Aires. 2 days later, he received the highest national honor of Brazil, the Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross, on 8th July.
Pelo Imperador Dom Pedro I e restabelecida pelo decreto número 22.160.
When he went to Cyprus in mid-June, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred with the Grand Cross of the Order of Macarius III on 16th June 2025.
The Grand Cross of the Order of Macarius III सम्मान के लिए मैं आपका, साइप्रस सरकार का और साइप्रस के लोगों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं.
On 5th April, southern neighbor of India, Sri Lanka conferred the prestigious Mitra Vibhushana medal to Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister Modi received the highest civilian award of Mauritius at the National Day celebrations on 12th March 2025.